Hello everyone, I am Dr. Javed, a devoted anesthesiologist here in the United Arab Emirates. Today I am overflowing with excitement to share the profound impact that Dr. Naheed Khan's masterclass Time, Money and You has had on my life. Dr. Naheed Khan's insights on time management have been nothing short of a revelation for me. The strategies she imparted have not just transformed my schedule, they have breathed new life into my daily activities. But what truly touched me was her deep dive into inner mindset. It wasn't just a lesson, it was a journey inward, reshaping the way I perceived challenges. Her wisdom has ignited a positive flame within me, influencing both my professional and personal realms. As we explored money vlogs, Dr. Naheed's guidance revealed layers I hadn't uncovered before. This newfound awareness has fostered a healthier relationship with my finances, and I feel a sense of empowerment I never thought possible. Now, let's talk about energy and work life balance, an area I thought I had figured out. Dr. Naheed's mentorship, however, unveiled new dimensions, leaving me with not just balance but a surplus of energy and fulfillment. In the brief time since I embraced Dr. Naheed's teachings, my life has undergone a remarkable shift. If you are seeking transformation in your time management, mindset, and overall life equilibrium, let Dr. Naheed guide you. Your journey to a more enriched life starts here. Thank you, Dr. Naheed, for being a beacon of inspiration.